Hello folks, Sam Owens here with a review of my turn signal indicator. I have a video that shows the installation process for installing these LED strips in this area and hooked to the turn signals left and right to give you another real strong visual indication of when your turn signals are activated. There are no audible clicks or beeps or anything when your turn signals are on. So this leaves you in a dangerous situation if you're driving with your turn signal on. People are not sure of, they think you're going to turn and you're not. So let me let you see what they look like. Okay, let's go left. You can see they are very bright. And right there, okay. Okay, so I have a video that will show the installation of this, so I advise you to look at that. Or if you don't want to go with this option, find some aftermarket turn signal indicators that you can mount. There are some that can mount that are ready to wire up. So I think it's very important for your safety while driving a Polaris Slingshot. Okay, and what follows this is a review of actually driving. And I've had these indicators for about 2 months now, and I found that they help greatly for keeping me from driving with my turn signals on. So I highly recommend some indicators of a very strong light that will catch your attention. Okay, good luck.